Hi guys, I hope you all is well. I don't know when this COVID problem will solve. It be safe on outside where the mask can go anywhere. Okay, I am Draipandi. Now I am gonna show you how was I enjoy my trip on Kerala. It's located on India. And will explain detailing how to go that place. You guys have probably seen a lots of videos related this. However, I will give you some tips in between this video. If you follow this, can well enjoy. First of all, we already planned this trip means with my friends. It was 2 days trip. Anywhere in India, you guys can easily come to here. Even if you are outside of India, if foreigners want to visit this place, you need to come Cochin Airport. It is located in India. This falls situated in Kerala state. Here everyone proudly say God's own country about Kerala. Kerala is a well-educated state in India. If you guys from India can reach directly Chalakudi by train or can reach Thrissur or Cochin, then can come by local bus. After reaching Chalakudi bus station, first we search rental bike, but our bad luck not available in that city. We can get it nearby in Cochin, but it takes more than 2 hours, so we don't have that time. Because bikers can enjoy the trip, because on the way places that are river, hanging bridge. Personally, I suggest you guys for particularly couples, please visit by bike or car. But our bad luck, we decided to go with bus. Their bus is available from Chalakudi bus station every 30 to 45 minutes. So many buses are available up to night, and it's only 1.5 hour travel. Only they collect 35 rupees per head ticket, and you can enjoy. If you want to see any in between area, you can stop the bus and go and visit. Yeah, take. These are my friends.
Hey, we are enjoying.
Yeah. Here one advantage is there, what means anywhere you can catch a bus. No need to wait, no need to check the bus stop like this. Anywhere on the road you can stop the bus and easily go. That is a very good benefit. On that road only, not at all areas. Actually guys, entry time up to evening 5 o'clock. After that nobody allowed here. They will lock the gate and only who are returned only allowed to get out. See? After reaching Adrapilli waterfalls, they collect ticket 40 rupees per head, and after that when we enter inside, they are checking our body temperature, then they allowed inside. This is 5 to 10 minutes trekking only. If you guys have energy, can easily reach the downside. When you are going downside, it's very easy, but when you return, it's very risk, because we need to lose our energy more. Here one. Wow, what a beautiful. That's Huh? Wow, how do you feel? How biggest?
My mobile not covered, man.
In downside, I can see one pre-wedding shoot. That looks very beautiful. They wear traditionally and doing it photography. Very nice that. Indian movies are mostly filmed here, especially love songs like this. And everyone know Bahubali the movie. That waterfalls. This is they make some CG and make it very big. You guys can ask me why you guys wear the spec, because the water splash is coming very forcefully. It will affect our eyes. Affect means not that much, but we feel our eye will be a reddish. So why that much we need to do? That's why we wear. Without spec also we can enjoy that time. We can't go very nearby the falls. That's it. Actually, this time I asked to take a candid photo using mobile, but that guy spoiled and recorded as a video. Actually, that water drops will become nearby the phone camera lens, so it will look like a candid, but that mood is spoiled. Unfortunately, they are not allowed to bath here because water is coming so much. It will be problem to anyone, and COVID problem also still not solved. So maximum take November to December, January. They will not allow because that time water will come so much. If you guys coming on summer time, you can enjoy. In upper area only you guys can bath, and they will tie one rope on surrounding that area only you can use and bath.
My leg is too much clear. One kind of medicine, this leg. Wow. Finally we are. Come. We bath.
Then lunch we are finished nearby falls. I suggest you one biryani. Here Malabar biryani is famous on Kerala. If you take, you can taste it, but you can't feel that real chicken biryani like, because they are adding some dry fruits and pineapple, some apple they roast, and after that they mixing in the biryani, and that looking nice, but it is different kind of taste. One time can take, but multiple time we can't. I think you can feel that, because if you are a biryani lovers, you will feel. Actually, one famous Tamil movie, Kamal Haasan and Rekha, they acted in 1980s. In that movie, Kamal and Rekha, they tried to suicide from one waterfalls, but Kamal only escaped by tree. That waterfalls is this is. Then Bahubali movie, they shows one cave in downside. everything was set. There is no cave. In that Bahubali movie, Prabhas in a song, finally he catch one tree on top and mid of the falls. There, one small tree they placed on CG. That is inspiration by same this waterfall have 5 years before I seen, but there is nothing now. I saw you one old photo, the inspiration taken from that